your Lead Left podcast for the week of November 22nd. I'm Randy Schwimmer. Welcome back. Thanksgiving week in the U.S. capital markets is always a mixed blessing. Wonderful for families and friends, celebration and gratitude, but smack in the crazy year-end rush. Everyone juggling deals and parties and running on fumes. 6 weeks before it starts all over again. What will 2020 deal activity look like? Well, it's hard to beat 2021. As our friends at S&P LCD noted last week, high-yield bond and leveraged loan issuance set a new annual high of $1 trillion. And as our chart of the week depicts, combined syndicated and direct loans set a record $228 billion, topping 2007's BSL-only mark. Fueling liquid credit volume is insatiable appetite from CLOs and retail funds. CLOs have seen record issuance, over 320 launched totaling more than $160 billion. And funds have enjoyed $30 billion of cash inflows so far this year versus $20 billion in 2020. As S&P's Rachel Kokoris wrote this week, quote, inflows often indicate an anticipation of rising rates and the prospect of Fed policy hikes in 2022, and continued strength for credit fundamentals provide strong tailwinds to leverage loans, unquote. On the direct side, private credit managers remain bullish. Sponsors had dry powder from 2019 and 2020 campaigns, but COVID impacted deployment. The pipeline of transactions grew and has been streaming out ever since. When will deal flow normalize? Well, there's plenty of backlog keeping people busy through the first half of 2022. After that, it's more of a question mark. There are so many variables, one credit manager told us. Interest rates, inflation, the midterm elections. But even if the Fed begins to tighten, that's a plus for floating rate assets. Market hiccups generally lead to more favorable investor terms. On the flip side, the status quo is good for LPs hoping to put capital to work quickly. Either way, the outlook for continued strong credit activity remains favorable for next year. Running on fumes at the lead left, this is Randy Schwimmer, wishing you and your families a safe and healthy week.